Christmas came early today. Oh, nice foam packaging. What is this? Oh, personal information that shouldn't be shown. Got the quick start guide. Ooh, gaming mouse. It's called the Midas, I think. This came free with my order. Gaming keyboard. Another gaming keyboard? Oh yeah, this came free. This came free with the order. And yep, I remember these. Came with a Hephaestus gaming headset. And I'm assuming this must be the mouse pad. What is this? Oh yeah, these are the cord. Now for the main event. I'm gonna need both hands for this one. Set up and let's see how it is. Okay, now it's currently all set up. Let's fire it up. Now I do know that I have to put some personal information to that first before we can actually get in. So I'll be right back with that. Okay, and here we have it. I already got all my stuff installed. Very nice keyboard. The mouse works good. I know there's RGB options for this, but I haven't figured that out yet. Once I do, it's gonna look a lot more dope. Everything's working just fine. I'll show you a little bit of benchmarks, or actually right here. Here's the stats for Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Team Fortress 2, and Overwatch. The computer itself has a beautiful LED strip on this front. I put that there. That didn't come with the case, but I had a sticker, so I put that there. I left the routers on the top, but overall, it's really quiet. Now the specs for this computer are listed below. I do plan on upgrading this to a better graphics card, maybe an i7 later. But for now, it's actually working really well. Very nice. Game controllers here for other stuff. Discord just opened up. So now I can finally put this guy to rest. You've been good to me, buddy. You've earned it. You know what? Actually, let's turn off the light. Let's see. Whoops. Let's turn off the light and see how it looks in the dark. Very nice keyboard. Mouse. I think I got a 21:9 monitor